I have researched on the internet to find the most powerful AI lead generation systems that actually make results, and the result was insane. A legal influencer who got more result in their past 3 months than they got in their entire 3 years. And these are not just hypothetical, business are rushing it. So today I'm going to show you the 8 most powerful AI lead generation systems. If you are a business owner, you wanna generate leads for your business, I'm about to show you what is exactly working in 2025. For each of these 8 AI systems, I'm going to show you how they are working and how they are solving your problems in your business. By the end of this video, I will show you how you can build this for your business. Let's get into it. But quickly, if you are new to this channel and don't know who I am Misal Ahmed. I am building AI solutions and selling it to the businesses for the last 1 year through my agency, allpay.coms. If you are a business owner and wanna build this kind of solutions for your business, all of my contact links are in the description box. So let's start it. Okay, so at first, the solutions I found that instant lead qualification agents. So what does it do? So most of the business nowadays are doing Google ads or Meta ads to collect the leads from online. For example, you are doing a garden repair service. So whenever you are running the Facebook ads, when the user submits the form, these AI agents gonna scrap the details from the user, their phone number, their name, and the other information that might need to call the person. And now they're talking with these persons like what kind of problems they had, how square feet the garden is, or what kind of solutions they might need. And it can also upsell the things like if they need anything extra related to this service. So these lead qualification agents qualifying the leads by asking the qualification questions and making a summary of the conversations and storing it to the CRM. So now the agents, all they have to do just close the deals with them and do the rest of the part without focusing on the first interaction part with the clients. So in the next, we have Date Lead Retriever Agent. What does it do? For example, so Date Lead Retriever systems is something like going to your old database and finding out the dead leads who you are work with, and now sending them a personalized message like, hey, we have worked on these projects, how's the feedback, or something like that. And nurturing with that prospects, it's trying to book appointments with them or book a call with you or something like that. And now your salespersons have another leads, the same leads or the prospects, but with another order, like they're reactivating your old client from your old database. Business in different industries are leveraging these tools because nowadays customer acquisition costs are much more higher than before. So once they have the list of the old customers, now they're setting up an AI agents and calling back to this person or the leads they have, and the calling agents are completely personalized, so they're personalizing them as like they're human agents. And comparing to a human agent salary, these AI agents are doing it in a much cheaper cost comparing to the human agents salaries. So yeah, that's a win-win situation for both businesses and the customers, because of having like the customer have the trust on that business that they work in the past, and the business now have a new order or new clients that they are working with a much cheaper customer acquisition cost. So next we have high traffic lead generation chatbots. What does it actually do? It converts the leads from the high traffic persons as like influencer. So for example, a legal influencer who is using these kind of systems, and they have more leads in the past 3 months than having in the entire past 3 years they had. So you can imagine how powerful this kind of system is, because these systems or these AI chatbots or any of the AI agents don't take rest, don't take any holidays or work 24/7 while you are sleeping. It's generating leads for you. This agent is set up on his website, Instagram, and Facebook as well. As now the Facebook, Instagram, and website chatbots are supporting or answering all of the DMs they have. So one of the biggest problem is the most influencers are having a tons of DMs and they're not getting time to reply with them. That means slower response rate, and which is very big issue for them to converting the leads or scaling the business. So in that case, these kind of AI agents solving the issues with engaging with the leads that's contacting with them. So an AI chatbots on their website, Facebook or Instagram is always 24/7 active and interacting with the prospects they have, and now they are trying to upsell to book an appointments or sell the solutions they have and collecting the leads from the chatbot. In the last 3 months they got more leads than they had in the past 3 entire year. So yeah, that's a pretty good chatbots that the influencer or the high traffic persons are using. The business who have a lot more traffic, they can use this one and leverage to scale their business in a more efficient way. So in the next we have AI content creations, which is automated by your AI clone. So this is mainly focused to generate leads from your social medias. As like the previous models, this one have an AI clone that's generating video for you, and the agency is editing the video, posting it on behalf of you, and doing rest of the part and handling on their own. And all of these are doing in an automated way. Whether you are an influencer and you don't need to record yourself, like the statistics we have researched that shows that it's saving a 10 hour in a month of recording videos, and without having you on the screen, without having you on the videos, you create the videos with the AI avatars that looks like you and sounds like you. And once the video is up onto the social medias, they're collecting the leads, and this is another coolest AI features that business can leverage, because once the CEO of the business have the AI avatar and now they are trained on the data, and now this AI avatar can create unlimited videos for the business owner or the business person, whether the business person is handling some of the other stuffs. Now their content creation is getting automated, and the business owner don't have to focus on creating content, rather than they can focus on the some of the internal things that they need to focus. And all of the systems that we're talking about, they are much flexible according to any kind of systems that you are working. So it depends on business to business. So for the next solutions, it is an insurance lead qualifier. What does it do? It is an AI voice caller that calls on behalf of the insurance broker. The peoples and the businesses are loving it very much, because it is a conversational AI bots that work in a non-pushy way. So for example, they are calling the leads and saying like, when was the last time reviewed your insurance? In this way, they are not actually directly selling to the prospects, and they're trying to go in a side way so that it don't feels like they're pushing for sale. And businesses are getting really a great results on this kind of approach. Actually, the AI outbound callers or the AI caller systems are built for this kind of process, where you are interacting with the customers and like reducing the first days of the conversations, and where you have to collect the data from the leads or qualifying the leads before you proceed this to your sales team. So that means your sales teams can only focus on the sales period of the business, and qualifying the leads or generating the leads and nurturing them. It's all getting automated by the AI systems. So the way these AI systems work, it's getting the list of the leads in a spreadsheet or any CSV format or from any CRMs, and it's making an outbound call to that prospects. And once the prospect is interested to have review their insurance things, they are marking these leads as a warm leads. That means it's qualifying the leads as a cold, mid or warm, these kind of things. And now once they're getting the warm leads, it's sending a message to that peoples and the managers also to have a notice or notifications to the manager that they get new leads which highly interested on these kind of things, and now they can go in a short time and talk with that peoples to close the deals actually. And some of the advanced features which makes it more interesting is like if they miss any call, then it's gonna send him a voicemail and marking these leads on the CRM as a follow-up leads, and it's gonna be called it again. And once the lead is not interested, it's removing the leads from the list we have. Now the brands have the qualified list of the leads, and they are the warm leads and the people who need to follow up with the calls, and this AI agent's gonna do the call again after 1 or 2 days by setting up a sequence on that. So yeah, that's a pretty much things that an insurance lead qualifier should get leveraged with the AI, because they are like squeezing all the part for getting the warm leads. So now their existing sales teams are focusing on only on the warm leads rather than focusing on the rest of the acquiring client, talking with them and doing follow-ups and rest of the blah 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 things. So in the next, we have instant lead engagement systems that actually work in a customized and personalized way. For example, if you are submitting a form, you have your website URLs on that form. So now in the systems, it's going to scrap the URL and go to your website that you put it in the form. And now they're researching about your websites and making a personalized code for you to reach out and send messages. And now they're sending you a personalized message depending on the queries or the researchers that they had in your website. So the business who are having a form into their website or generating a leads with the form, and now they can engage with that people's by automating all of these things and having an AI human like brain that do scraping of the things that exist on the internet for that particular persons, or to make it more customized to that person. So in the next, we have AI video lead gen systems that work similarly like the previous systems that we had. The AI clone that's work for you to generate leads on behalf of you, like doing video and creating contents for you and posting it on the social medias, and now they're collecting the leads from the system. So this system is a bit different. It's working for doing outreach instead of just focusing on the getting leads on the social medias. So the process is work it like create your AI clone and make so that it makes the personalized video to outreach each and every persons that you have on the list. And it's gonna train on your avatar, it's gonna train on your voice so that it feels more personalized to the prospects that we're reaching out. This is another pretty good things to doing outreach in a personalized and customized way. So in the next, we have marketing agencies lead caller. What does it do? It works like a telemarketing things for the marketing teams to do marketing for them. For example, the system is asking for a list of the leads from the marketing agencies. When the marketing agency giving them the list of the leads, and now they are making call to each and individual leads by asking whatever the things marketing agency they want. So they are basically pre-qualifying the leads on behalf of the marketing agencies by asking different kind of questions and marking them in a warm leads or cold leads or in this way. And it's tracking the call for the leads they have, the people who are interested on that offer. These AI systems and the agents is marking the leads as interested leads and sending him a message, text message, and the Calendly links to book the appointments. And those who are not interested, they are deleting the leads from the CRMs or the systems. And for those who didn't answer the calls, they're sending them voicemail and marking this as a follow-up calls. So now they are automatically going to call these systems again and again. So the technology behind all of these 8 systems are internally connected, whether it's a chatbot system, whether it's a voice AI system, or whether it's a content creation system. Now the border of getting into this AI era is endless. Like you can build and create any solutions in your mind, and the code technologies are there already. So if you have any kind of ideas to build your own systems, or if you like any things, any systems that I have discussed here or if you want to build any custom AI solutions that gonna work for your business in a customized way, go to the descriptions below. I have all my links there, and book a free consultation call with me, and we'll see you later.